ABC classification. ABC classification or analysis is a system of inventory control. It helps to control different items of stores classified on the basis of investment involved. Usually the items are divided into three categories according to their importance, namely their value and frequency of replenishment during a period. A category items. A category of items consists of only a small percentage, that is, about 10% of total items handled by the stores required heavy investment, about 70% of the inventory value, because of their high price or heavy requirement or both. B category. B category of items are relatively less important. They may be 20% of the total items of material handled by stores. The percentage of investment required is about 20% of the total investment in inventories. C category. C category of items do not require much investments. It may be about 10% of the total inventory value, but they are nearly 70% of the total items handled by stores. ABC analysis. This is explained in the following graph known as Pareto analysis graph, where we have value of items, cumulative number of items in inventory, class A, class B and class C in graphical form. ABC analysis control. Point number 1. A category of items can be controlled in various ways. Example. Point number 1. By making budgets. Point number 2. By fixing certain levels like maximum level, minimum level and reorder level. Point number 3. By determining economic order quantities. Point number 4. By using the techniques of value analysis, value reduction, that is variety reduction, standardization, etc. Point number 2. B category of items can be controlled to less degree than for A category of items. The order for the items in the category may be placed after reviewing their situation periodically. Point number 3. C category of items can be controlled constantly. Orders for items in this group may be placed either after 6 months or once in a year after ascertaining consumption requirements. Advantages of ABC classification. Point number 1. It ensures uninterrupted production as well as minimum investment inventories of stock of materials. Point number 2. The cost of purchase, receipts and storage is minimized. Point number 3. Management time is saved since attention need to be paid only on the most valuable items rather than all the items. This is known as principle of management by exceptions. Point number 4. Much of the routine purchase work can be handled by electrical staff.